The northeastern state Rajasthan is India's largest, with over half of its territory covered by the Thar Desert. Severe climatic conditions challenge agriculture and food production, leading to alarming rates of malnutrition. This lack of essential dietary variation prompts the crucial question: can architecture ensure food security? Crickets are rich in proteins, ranging between 55 to 73%. They also have a diverse array of micronutrients and minerals.
My name is Dr. Mukesh Sharma, and I am working as an assistant professor in Sri Karan Narendra Agriculture Institute, Jobner. Crickets need less amount of the water and need less space, less amount of things, so they may grow faster. So in comparison to other livestock animals, that these mini livestock are much better also for human beings to be as a supplement protein source.
This experiment aimed to optimize environmental conditions such as temperature and humidity for crickets during the wintertime in Rajasthan. A homemade sleeping bag was sewn using wool and a reflective safety blanket to slow down heat transfer. In order to raise the nighttime temperature within the habitat, bottles filled with hot water were placed inside. The sleeping bag did not have any significant influence on the temperature due to a quick dissipation of heat. However, it did have a positive impact on maintaining humidity at a desired level during the nights with dew formation.
If they mix in the bread and then they are served, the generations may accept it. It may resolve some problems, some issues, so it may be a successful in coming future.